Good morning, students. Today's class we can learn about the second part of the lesson electricity. Okay, in the previous class we learned about the electricity, what is electric current, and how can you measure the electric current, and what is electric circuit. One typical electric circuit means what it contains and the components of electric circuit. Today's topic is electric potential and our potential difference. Electric potential and potential difference. Vidima. Electric potential and potential difference. Okay, in this topic what is the difference, potential difference, and how can you find out the difference as a volt and some that equation and one problem is there. Electric potential or potential difference means what? When you take the water flowing in a pipe, if it is horizontal or the same height, then the water will be not flowing very easily. You know that from the tank the water comes to your tap, means the water tank to the your tap, the flow of water will be higher concentration to lower concentration. If there is a height difference is there from the tank and your that flowing of water in a pipe, then only the water will flow very easily, and for that gravity also responsible. When you come to your electric potential, same like that, charges are moving. Electric potential or potential difference. Electric potential or potential difference. Potential difference. Okay, charges are moving from one concentration to another concentration, or charges are moving in one end to another end in metallic wire. If there is a difference in the pressure, then only the charges are moving. When you take the electronic charges, they move in a copper wire or any metallic wire. If the two terminals endings there is a difference, then only the flow of electrons will be takes place very easily. The electron move only if there is a difference of electric pressure. Difference of electric pressure. Here is a one and another one here. The pressure in between these means electric pressure. Electric pressure. What is this electric pressure? The charges, amount of charges. The amount of charges, the difference is there. Here more electrons are there. They easily flow in the end. Okay, that is called a potential difference. Here there is in a water flowing, there is a gravitational force is there in flow of water. Here no gravitational force is applicable, or it is not depend upon the any gravity. The flow of charges conducting in a metallic wire, the gravity of course has no role to play. When the water coming, no, the gravity, water flow of water, in that gravity also consider, but here the role of gravity is not takes place. This difference of potential may be produced by the cell generated. How this potential difference or the electric pressure difference will be created? You know that the cell is a one of the generator of charges or the electrons. When the charges are electrons charges are created in a cell, dry cell, you know that this is a is one dry cell. Like this, when two cells are connected or in series or in parallel, they created the charges. These are chemical charges converted into chemical substance converted into electric charges, electricity or electric charge. In dry cell, what happens? Chemical change into chemical energy is converted as a electrical energy. These cells are generated the electrons or the create the electrons when they are connected to the wire, metallic wire. They start what? Flowing the charges. Here more charges are generated. They start flowing from here to here or one end to other end. When there is pressure difference in electric charges, then only the what is the difference? The potential difference is nothing but voltage. That potential difference is nothing but a voltage. It is measured in the formula. It is measured in the formula. What it is? V is equal to W by Q. V is equal to W by Q. You can show in this video. Potential difference is measured in volts. Why this volt name coming? Due to the Italian physicist Alessandro Volt. Alessandro Volt is an Italian scientist. He first discovered the this invention of potential difference. So for that name it is called as the volt. Volt is a potential difference is measured in volt. The equipment is called voltameter. Okay, voltameter. In the electric current is measured in ammeter, ampere, and the equipment is called ammeter. Here voltage is measured in a volt and the equipment is called voltameter. The ammeter is connected in series but voltameter connected in a circuit parallel. Voltameter connected in a circuit parallel to the conductor, and the formula we are using V is equal to W by Q. Here V 1 volt is equal to 1 joule work done divided by charges. Coulomb charges will be moving. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule of work is done in a 1 coulomb charges are moving. Okay, one example they given the numerical problem here. 1 volt is equal to what you get, right? 1 joule per coulomb. 1 joule per coulomb, or you can write here 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. Like this you can write the formula also. Here one numerical problem they given here. You can see the numerical problem. What is that numerical problem? The amount of work done in moving charges to coulomb across two points having potential difference 12V. They don't give the work they do. Voltage is equal to 12 volt, and coulombs are the charges is equal to how many charges they move? Two charges are moving. Work done is equal to, you know that volt is equal to W by Q. What you want to calculate? W. W is equal to V into Q. Here V is 12 and C is 2, this is 24. 24 joule work is done by using the 12 volts of current, the potential difference, and two coulomb charges are moving. Okay, this is about your second topic about the potential difference. Here some questions they given in the textbook. See, Name the device that help maintain the potential difference across the conductor. What device we are using to measure the potential difference? Voltmeter. What is meant by saying potential difference between the 2 points is 1 volt? I already said here 1 volt is nothing but 1 joules per 1 coulomb. How much energy is given to each coulomb of charges passing through a 6 volt of battery? How much energy? Same they asking the energy each coulomb of charges. Each means what? 1 coulomb. Here another point you can take the third answer here. They ask W is equal to question mark and V is equal to 6V and Q is equal to each means 1 coulomb. Same formula you can use. W is equal to V into Q, that is 6 into 1, 6 joules. Okay. This is third question answer. Another two I explained orally. You can write the question and answer textbook inside in the page number 96. Okay. Some electric components they given. Electric components symbolically. How can you show the electric components? Here's the electric battery or electric cell and a plug key. We know that how can you know it is a battery? Like this you are writing means it is a battery. It is a plus and the minus symbolically. If it is plug you can write it is a open plug. If it is closed you can write like this. Here 1 point, that is a closed. And what is that? Bulb means you can write like this. This is a bulb. These are some symbolic they given in the electric chapter. You can go through the symbolic components, symbols of components in this. In the next class we will go to the Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Ammeter means this one, voltmeter means this one. You take a close of this and read down and practice it. In second video you can go through the Ohm's law. Okay, this is about your second topic, that is potential difference. Okay, anything you cannot understand means you can give the comment. Okay, goodbye, good luck.